Hello everybody, Tagliatelle. Got this from Aldi, £1.59. It's delicious, we've had it before. So I'm going to be doing a ham and mushroom tagliatelle. Yeah, pasta thing. I'm all over the place. But for the ham, I'm going to be using this gammon ham. This was from B&M, £2.59. I do like the Prince's one, because it is quite nice sometimes, this stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to use that. I've got some parsley, which should go on top. A bit of soft cheese. I've got 3 cloves of garlic, which I've roughly chopped up. I put the lid on because I've got a fly and I can't catch it again. And I've got some chestnut mushrooms. So it's going to be quite simple and hopefully delicious. So first things I want to do is get my gammon ham open. Let's have a look at this. Hopefully this doesn't break. And that says I'm sounding weird today. After that pint of beer I had yesterday, she keeps saying I've got an hangover. There it is. I only had 1 pint, so let me get a plate to get it out. There it is with all the jelly on. I'm going to take the jelly off and I'm going to cut it into bite-sized squares first, like so. Lovely. Now then, we'll get my pan of water on first then. Now bring you around here. Pan of water on to boil, ready for the pasta. And in the meantime, we're going to get the other pan warmed up. We want to get some garlic and the mushrooms in there first. Garlic in first, 30 or 40 seconds probably. And then we'll get the mushrooms in. We're going to get all there. I've done a whole punnet of mushrooms. I don't need that many, but I've done them. Mushrooms looking nice, guys. Now we're going to get the ham in, the ham chunks, for a few more minutes. Get them crisped up a bit. Waiting for that water to boil. I'm not going to put any salt in it at the minute because I think this ham is quite salty, isn't it? I know that Prince's one is quite salty, so we'll see what happens as we go. Could also put a bit of bacon in there, ain't you? I've just looked in the fridge and I ain't got no bacon. A bit of crispy bacon to go on top, it'll be nice, wouldn't it? The water's boiled up to daisy, dropping everything, look at me. The water's boiling. I'm going to get a bit of salt in. Only table salt for us. And we'll get the pasta in. That smells delicious, that stuff does. Smells really nice. A bit more pasta than that, because I'm quite hungry today. Put half a pack in, there we go. Get the lid back on. I'm all over the place, guys. Absolutely all over the place. Couple more minutes and that will be, we'll take that off the heat. Then we get the cream cheese in, a bit of water off the pot, give it all mix and we should be ready to go. There you go, guys, I've browned up a bit now. I'm going to turn that off for a minute now then. Pasta will be about a minute. I've got my garlic ready in the air fryer. Well guys, pasta's done. I'm going to pour it into here because I want a little bit of water off the pasta to put back in the other pot. So I'm going to drain it, get all the water in there, then I'm going to drain it out. Put it back in. I'm not sure how much water I'm going to need. That's why I've done it like that. That smells delicious. I don't know what the ham's like yet, but I will find out. Right, cream cheese in. With the cream cheese, I wanted to get the herb and garlic one, but I don't have any in, so I've had to just get the plain. But never mind, eh? I'm going to put it all in. And a few I just putting a couple of, just a drop in at a time. Maybe something like that. And I'll just mix it as we go. Now we're going to get the pasta in. I'm going to incorporate it nice and slowly. Might have done a bit too much pasta for this sauce, but hey. Nice and mixed and covered slowly as we go. You can always put extra pasta on the plate, can't you? On your bowl. Put some more on top. Won't hurt. Right, we are done. Let's dish up. Bit of pasta in the bottom first. I don't know if Nat will like this because she's not really keen on white sauces and that, but we'll see, eh? There's loads more pasta left as well. Let's get some mushrooms and that on there and some ham. Yeah, bacon would make it look a lot better, wouldn't it? Some crispy bacon on top. Maybe a bit of cheese. I ain't putting any cheese on. There's already cream cheese in there. Don't look very appetising, does it, to be honest with you? But anyway, garlic bread is done. Turn the air fryer off. And I'll put a bit of parsley on top, eh? Just to make it stand out, make it look a bit better. There you go, set it up now, put it on my board. Craig made me, thank you Craig. Bit of garlic bread, the garlic bread's lovely, 37p from Aldi. And there's the good old pasta. Nat doesn't seem too keen. You keen? No?
Yeah, no.
It's not that. Let me show you. There you go, I mean it looks nice. There's the garlic bread. It's cream cheese sauce, man. That's probably why you don't like it. Whoa!
I thought it was.
I wanted the garlic herb one. I should have put my own in really. Because it gives you that better taste. Let's have a go anyway. I'm going to try this ham. I'm going to try this ham first because I haven't tried this ham.
Sorry, I'm not saying it's nasty. I don't dislike it.
It's just something.
It's just the sauce, I think. It's just putting me off a bit.
That ham's okay. It's not as good as
ham's
that.
Nice.
It's not as good as that princess one. The prince's one, whatever it's called. The sauce looks like it might have curdled a little bit as well.
The sauce for me.
Yeah, you need the herbs in there, don't you? You need the herbs in there. Herbs and the garlic and in the sauce. Take away that. It's a bit bland, isn't it? It's a bit cream cheesy, isn't it? That's what it is, isn't it? Just cream cheese. Normal cream cheese. Well, apart from that, it ain't bad, is it?
No.
Yeah, I'll eat it. It's okay. Nothing special, but it's nice. Isn't it? It's not disgusting.
No, it's not disgusting.
No. It's just missing something in it. So, I didn't think you'd like it because of the cream cheese, but...
It's the cheese that's putting me off.
Yeah. But hey, look, there you go. You live and learn. I'll have it again. I do like this pasta.
I'd have it again if you made your own sauce.
I made my own sauce.
If you made your own sauce.
Yeah.
I'd definitely...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, something to revisit then, isn't it?
It's not nasty. Not at all.
And the ham, £2.59. You think that's alright for the value?
I'm not sure because of the size of the tin. The tin
15.
size of the tin. Yeah.
Big tin. It's not the ones you get, the ones we have at Christmas.
Oh yeah.
It's not that.
Everything's growing present. So.
Yeah, so there we go, guys. I'll probably give it about a 7.
I was going to say 7.
I'll probably give it about a 7 out of 10. Cheap to make though. I mean, you get whatever ham you want depending on the price, but it's only cheap to make.
Really barely, yeah.
Yeah? Only about a 5 of it. Well, the ham was what, £2.59 I think? Bit of cream cheese, what's that? 60p or something? Some mushrooms. You know what I mean? So it's cheap to make. I would probably put some extra herbs and spices in the cream cheese, or I wanted the garlic and herb one, but I didn't have it, so I just got plain. I'm not sure I just put some more in, but never mind.
Something for you to revisit.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. There we go, guys. Oh, and might be going live tomorrow for now, mightn't we? In Tamworth after we've done.
Yeah.
If we can get a signal, mightn't we? We'll go in the pub and have a drink for an hour.
I'm not taking you to the pub again.
You're not taking me to the pub again. You're not taking me to the pub. Because on the Saturday I went to bed at about 10:30. What bite? I've gone. Never mind. Anyway, I am over.
Cheap date.
Cheap date. See you later. Bye bye.